Perched atop a gently sloping hill in the northern reaches of Okinawa, the house in Ginowan stands as a thoughtful response to both sight and lifestyle. Designed by Matsuyama Architect and Associates and completed in 2019, this 245-square-meter residence was conceived for a family of 5 seeking connection, not just to place, but to one another. At first glance, the idea of a multi-story structure to recapture distant ocean views seemed logical. However, through close dialogue with the client, the architects came to understand that the family's warmth and intimacy stemmed from a modest apartment life they cherished. This understanding profoundly shifted the design approach from verticality to a more integrated, single-story experience. Rather than stacking floors, the design unfolds gently across the landscape, embracing the 6-meter level change from east to west through a series of interlocked platforms. Each programmatic space responds to climatic conditions. Bedrooms and living areas are positioned to mitigate the harsh western sun, while maintaining visual and physical continuity throughout the home. Although the panoramic ocean views of the past are now largely obscured by urban development, what emerges here is a new kind of environment, one that celebrates openness within and between spaces. From the upper entrance level to the children's rooms nestled below, the sequence of connected zones fosters a sense of accessibility and collective living reminiscent of the family's former apartment. The exterior presence of the house is defined by a bold, earthy concrete facade, its warm tones echoing the reddish soils of the island's terrain. In both form and materiality, the architecture speaks of a deep dialogue with its geography, reminding us that good design is not simply about views, but about crafting meaningful places to live.